sir. No more fiddle tonight. Got it? Inside with this thing. Go home. Hey, what did I say about the noise? It's the middle of the night. No more synth on the porch. Yep, you're done. I'm taking it inside. Go back to your bed. Hey, quit it. It's midnight. Give me that pipe. No more playing tonight. You hear me? Inside with this. Go home. Hey, quit it. It's midnight. Give me those sticks. No more concerts tonight. You hear me? Inside with these. Go home. Hey, quit it. It's midnight. Give me that stick. No more playing tonight. You hear me? Inside with this. Go home. Hey, knock it off. It's midnight. Give me that thing. Hiss. No more didgeridoo tonight. You hear me? Inside with it. Go home. Hey, knock it off. It's midnight. Give me these. No more cymbals tonight. Understand? Inside. Go home. Hey, knock it off. It's midnight. Give me this. Hiss. No more gongs tonight. Understand? Inside. Go home. Hey, midnight aerobics now? The whole porch is shaking. Volume down, pause off the neighbor's nerves, and at least cool down before 3 a.m., okay? Hey, stop that. It's midnight. Hand over the banjo. Hey, knock it off. It's midnight. Give me that horn. Hey, knock it off. It's midnight. Give me those. Hey, quit it. It's midnight. Give me that pipe. No more playing tonight. Hey, cut it out. It's midnight. Hand it over.
Hey, quit it. It's midnight. Hand over the drums. No more jam session tonight. You hear me?
Rustlers. Hold it. Get the hell off my spread. Now, go on back to your own movie. Well, I warned them. I don't need varmints on my ranch, and you folks don't need them in your TV sets.